Like, Jeff, who the fuck?
I rip you to shreds.
Who the fuck pulls down there?
Toki
to Jaeger for, you know, being Jaeger.
Come on! I need help. Odulu!
Toki, I just want you to know that when I blow my brains out, I'm gonna send you a video of it. Yes, you did. What do you mean?
God,
yeah,
what a
when
good
my
birthday
fucking
month.
team wasn't there and you knifed me, yeah. In our spawn?
Talkie.
I'm ready.
If I just saw VIP go A side or not, let me just clarify. One going wide A, one going wide A. Monkey. A's in danger. One's wide A, one's in wide A. Our teammate just died.
Who's in the building to your right? Cocaine. Cocaine.
Was VIP spotted, eh?
Oh, we haven't seen VIP yet.
Building in front of you sleeping, there was a guy in there. Just camping there.
Jesus.
Toki, I hate you beyond description. I
Look at the number of kills I did.
blew your goddamn brains out and you went, ouch! And
Did I just wipe you guys?
fuck you, Toki, you cunt.
Damn, that was pretty hot, wasn't it, guys? Oh, man.
Okay. Let's go.
I'm literally playing super passive right now because of Wick and Jeff. Sniping from their sniper, or sniping in the base, or sniping from their base. That was a 50 cal sound. Got one. 50 cals, let's don't respawn. Stay near A and B, guys, stay near A and B. Not rush them, just get back behind, get back to the spawn. Sorry, get back to objective. B just got cleared, B just got cleared. Go into B, go inside B. Run inside B, guys, run inside.
VIP's in crack house.
Protocol for crack house.
I am physically sick to my stomach from fucking Toki tonight. Fuck you, Toki.
I'm so sorry that I brought this game to.
You were fucking invisible, I swear to fucking God. I was looking directly at where you shot me from and there was nothing there. And then the kill cam happened and there was still nothing there. So I hate you is what that means.
Go watch the replay.
Fuck you.
I go to the same place in this map. Like, there's like 3 designated places I go.
Yeah, I was watching where you went, you fuck. I'm saying you weren't there.
Hey, drop your weapon! Yeah, okay. Alright, I'm good.
I'll follow you guys. Good luck.
Jack, can you hear?
All right.
Is mic working?
I'm going to the right team right now.
Yeah.
Team on the right? Yeah. Far right. Sounds good.
Yes!
Let's try this way. All right, I'm with you. Let's go. All right. Hold up now. Woo.
One guy's in their clogged artery, one guy's in the right side.
He's dead. You're clear. I was making sure you were in cover. Of course I'm in cover, dude. I'm the VIP. Deployed smoke. Rush. Clear that door, yeah.
Hey, I'm gonna load up!
Oh man. Someone should check our 6. There you go, Taki got him. Move towards B, yeah, VIP. There you go. Ah, let's go. Better luck next time.
Toki, I'm so pissed. You shot me at like a fucking frame away from me being completely behind cover.
That's actually
Hopefully we can get another go.
that's actually clip worth saving.
I'm gonna call some noise though. Are we gonna go B? Where are we gonna go, guys?
Sit back, VIP.
Yeah, he's rushing to the left. I don't know if there's
Left side
gonna
A. I'm flanking far left, so we can flank these nuts.
be. I don't know. Let me get in front of you then, at least, huh?
Well, that's definitely over there.
I mean, we could have made it across, but we can go this way.
If he's going for A.
This way.
Yeah, but slow down though. It's open right there. Slow down.
On the second floor, B building.
Fuck, someone's on the porch.
Okay, you go first.
Oh, thank God. This man.
How did you live that?
Slow down, VIP. Slow down. Slow down.
He won't. He's a madman.
Oh, Harley.
God damn it. Oh.
VIP, stay in there. Stay in there. Don't make any sound. Stay in there. Where's the guy? Where's the guy that killed you guys?
Right up, bridge. She moved VIP's door, yeah.
Oh, another guy, second floor.
VIP hit hotel key and get rid of your laser.
Oh, yeah. I got it.
Nice one, we got Alpha!
He's a madman.
No wonder.
Well, it
Toki, I'm
worked.
pissed.
Yeah, you took one for the team.
It's like as soon as I fire a shot, he has seen me and is killing me.
You again, Jeff?
Yeah, like I get one shot in before I...
I don't know. Felt like somewhere near B.
For a B?
Back of B, maybe? Back of B, maybe?
VIP, just go. Stay in the pit. Stay in the pit. The teammate cleared B side. Hey, watch out, B. There's a guy close to you. You work your way to B slowly.
It's like like I said last time, I get to fire one shot, and then Toki has seen me and is killing me. Every single round that game. I saw one person, shot them once, and like in the next frame, I was dead because Toki shot me.
You heard you're a furry, is that true?
The middle road, watch out. Hey, come in right now. Come in right now. Let's go.
Some dumb shit.
Mic glitch.
Some dumb shit. That's some dumb shit, bro.
Could one of you on security please fucking kill me?
That's some dumb shit, bro.
Just once, I'd like to kill
Me. But don't mind me, you know. 'Cause I can't speak for anything right now. I think I hear some B. Look on the roof.
Middle, heavy middle.
We have smokes on B. If you saw him, watch out, Panda.
Is it A?
Oh shit,
They're going alpha, yeah, they're going alpha, heavy alpha. I did not see VIP, but I saw a lot of guys alpha.
Team is not A.
Get on point.
He's reporting today. Hey! VIP A!
Enemies taken in!
Oh, fucking hell!
Come on.
They got that!
Yo, VIP! You use the dead body to cover my
I
sight.
need you to be honest with me about something. Do you have walls and you're exclusively using them to hunt me down every I, for the sole purpose of avoiding you, went to the most random fucking place, way off to the side, nowhere near where you've been sitting, on purpose to avoid you.
I rotated all the way from B to A because our teammate said A.
Directly to where I was standing in the weirdest fucking location and shot me. Fuck you.
I don't know what to tell you.